Imagine a kitchen with a panoramic view of almost the entire first floor, with 2 separate living spaces, the front and backyard. This is a family-friendly floor plan with a color scheme that's going to brighten the mood of anyone that enters. This home has been professionally painted with Sherwin-Williams paint, neutral brown, and it's paired oh so nicely with the kitchen cabinets in African gray. And I love the subtle touches of the stone backsplash and the professional look of the high art chrome faucet that are a modern kitchen must-have. So if you're in the market for a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, completely remodeled inside from top to bottom, then you're gonna wanna see 15 Lyn Drive in Granby, priced aggressively at $239,900. Showings are at the first open house, Sunday, September 15th from 11 to 12:30. I'll see you there.